This is Jyoti, second year MCom, C section. Introduction of Dominica country, world map of Dominica country, Dominica flag, area 751 square kilometers, population 74,027, language English, French, Pantais, national currency East Caribbean dollar, largest city Roseau, continent North America, official name Commonwealth of Dominica, national name Republica Dominicana, national anthem Isles of Beauty, Isles of Splendor, principal river Leo, national bird Cicero parrot, national flower Carib wood, national fruit carambola, national sports cricket. Economy of Dominica country, how condition arises of economy. The island gained independence as a republic in 1978. Dominica has been nicknamed the Nature is Land of the Caribbean for its natural environment. Dominica is fully natural environment process. Then primary industry, secondary industry, tertiary industry. Three industries are main role play by the Dominica country. First one, primary industry, agriculture, animal husbandry, fishing, mining. These are all primary industry of Dominica country. So explain that first one, agriculture. The economy of Dominica is reliant upon agriculture, particularly bananas, with the financial services industry and passport sales becoming increasingly island largest sources of income. Banana production employs directly or indirectly upwards of one-third of workforce. This sector is highly valuable to weather condition and external events affecting commodity prices. The value of banana exports fell to less than 25% of merchandise trade earnings in 1998 compared to about 44% in 1994. Agriculture is main production of Dominica people. Dominica is fully natural production of Dominica country. This picture is example of Dominica agriculture sector. Agriculture accounts for about 20% of GDP and employs about 40% of the labor force. Agriculture exports amounted to rupees 19.1 million in 2001. Most crops are produced on small farms. The 9,000 owners of each are banded together in about 10 cooperatives. There are also several large farms produce mostly bananas for export. Other major crops are coconuts and citrus fruits, which are grown in commercial quantities. Production for 1999 included coconuts 11,000 tons, grape fruits 21,000 tons, lemon and limes 1,000 tons, and oranges 8,000 tons. Fruits or vegetables are produced mostly for local consumption. These are agriculture information of Dominica country. The major role played by coconuts because of coconut soaps, bar soaps. Then animal husbandry. There are about 2,000 hectares, means 4,900 acres of pasture of land, comprising 2.7% of the total land area. The island does not produce sufficient meat, poultry or eggs for local consumption, so there are large importance of animal products. In 2001, there were an estimated 540 head of cattle, 9,700 goats, 7,600 sheep and 5,000 hooks in 2001. Production of meat totaled 1,300 tons and milk 6,100 tons. Fishing. Before Hurricane Dravida, some 2,000 persons earned a living fishing in coastal waters, producing about 1,000 tons of fish in a year, meeting only about one-third of local demand. The hurricane destroyed almost all of the island, 470 fishing boats. Afterward, only about a dozen vessels could be reconstructed for use. Some problem was arises fishing period. These are example of fishing. Fourth one, mining. Dominica's mining sector played a major role in its economy. Pumice was a major commodity extracted from the island for export, and Dominica produced clay, limestone, volcanic ash, and sand and gravel primarily for the construction industry. There is some mining potential in Dominica, especially in the island northeast where there are believed to be deposits of copper. These are example of mining industry in the Dominica country. Next, dairy industries. Dominica's small manufacturing sector is almost entirely dependent on agriculture, and the island has built up a handful of successful industries specializing in soaps and other agriculture byproducts. Largest manufacturer is Dominica's coconut products, controlled by Colgate Palmolive, which produces soap from coconuts. The factory has an agreement to sell an estimated 3 million bars of soap each year. Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines Dominica soap is also exported throughout the region, but has recently encountered intensified competition from other regional producers, especially in the important export markets of Jamaica and Trinidad and Tobago. Next is territory industries. Tourism in Dominica is mostly centered around ecotourism. It consists of hiking, bird watching, canoeing, kayaking, etc. Being the nature islands of the Caribbean, it stands true its name of their numerous outdoor activities based in the nature. With the impact of COVID-19, the island has held in Carnival and Independence celebration since 2020, which are two its largest financial contributors in the tourism sector. So, tourism sector is one of the main industry of Dominica country. Nowadays, COVID-19 is impact of Dominica country in tourist place. These are all example of Dominica country tourist place. Next, SWOT analysis of Dominica country. SWOT means strength, weakness, opportunity, threats. SWOT is major role played by the Dominica country. First one, Dominica strength. Trade employees individuals who care about Dominica. Second, provides quality one of kind tourist packages that cannot be found with any other organization. Third, Dominica is a beautiful, enjoyable. Fourth, working towards the betterment of the Dominica economy. These are all Dominica strength. This picture is Dominica country strength. Second one, weakness. It said the impact could be confounded if other areas of economy weakness emerge. So weakness, first point, not well established among potential clients. Second, local Dominicas may be restricted to change. Third, harder to generate income as a non-profit organization. Third point is opportunities. First one, trade has the chance to build relationship between the US and Dominica. Second, raises United States awareness of Dominica and its resources is build the relations of US and Dominica of opportunity of economy. Last one, threats. First one, natural disaster. Second one, possible change in political policies. These are SWOT analysis of Dominica country. Finally, I conclude that Dominica is fully environmental production and product in my accordance. Provide information for local Domina peoples, improve the among potential clients, generate income as a non-profit organization to profit organization, environmental management, social environmental and development and transformation. These are a strategy of Dominica country in my accordance. Thank you.